So first of all, it is given to you, give accounting equations for the following transactions in the books of M/S. It stands for Messrs. Messrs. Okay. Messrs Ravi. Normally for businessmen, they are using the word as a proprietor or Messrs. Okay. Started business with cash rupees 80,000. So it is the first transaction started. Business with cash rupees 80,000. 80,000 से हमने चालू किया business. Okay. Now actually as a cash, it is our asset. वो हमारा asset है. Okay, as a cash. Okay, it is not a liability. But whenever we are starting with the business with the cash, it is becoming our capital. वो हमारा capital है. It is our capital as well. Okay. So in this way, we are starting with the business. Started business with cash rupees 80,000. So started business with cash 80,000 will appear in the assets and in the capital. Okay. So this is the first one. Now you can take the total below. आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. This is a new equation. New equation. 80,000 is equal to 0 plus 80,000. Okay, that is the equation. Now number 2. Okay, most of the transactions you can do. अब बहुत सारे ट्रांजेक्शन कर सकते हो, but some transactions are different. Now second is given to you cash purchases. Cash purchases means what? That is actually goods are purchased for cash. Goods are purchased for cash. Okay. Now how to record this? Goods are purchased for cash. So cash purchases. Amount is given to you rupees 10,000. 10,000. How you will record this? As these are goods purchased, add in asset. And as cash goes out, less from asset. Nothing in the liability, nothing in the capital. Liability में कुछ नहीं आने वाला और capital में भी कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. Now what is your new equation? New equation कैसे आने वाला है? 80,000 plus 10,000. Okay. And minus 10,000. So it is remaining same. 80,000 ही आने वाला है. No change in this. Is equal to 0. Liability में 0 plus 80,000. Number 2. Number 3. Cash sales. Cash sales. Cash sales amount is 15,000 rupees. 15,000. Okay. Here goods are sold for cash. Cash sales का मतलब क्या होता है? The goods are sold for cash. Okay. Now how to record this? In today's lecture, there are new students. Okay. Abhinav Mane. Hello Abhinav. Hello Abhinav. Okay. Then Yash Zadhav. Okay. He is also a new student. Then Lynn Sikveria is a new student. And also our Vanshika is also new. Since yesterday she joined. I am requesting you just to see the lecture. If possible, आप लिख भी सकते हो. Just to see the lecture, because you may not be able to understand the accounting equation. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will be taking the extra lecture for you to explain the basic concepts. Okay. लेकिन अभी आपको आज के लेक्चर में थोड़ा डटे रहना है. देखना तो है कम से कम भाई क्या है. Okay. It is in that way simple. What is the accounting equation? Is the asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Asset मतलब properties. Liabilities मतलब क्या होता है? The amount which is payable to outsiders, our suppliers, creditors, like that. And what is by capital? Amount invested in the business is called as capital. Now cash sales are there. So हमने sales किया. So minus here because goods are sold. Goods is our asset. Goods हमारा asset है. वो हमने सेल कर दिया. So minus because goods are sold. Goods मतलब माल सेल कर दिया ना, so minus here because goods are sold. But again add here because cash comes in. Okay. हुआ क्या? Okay. We sold the goods and we got the cash. एक हाथ से माल दिया, दूसरे हाथ से पैसा लिया. It is simple. Okay. You are giving the goods and you are getting the cash. So for asset, it makes no difference. No liabilities, no change in capital. Okay. So what is a new equation now? New equation क्या आने वाला है? New equation is 80,000. Okay. Plus 15,000 minus 15,000. One and same. Okay. So 80,000 is equal to 0 plus 80,000. Okay. Now look at number 4. 4 number देखो. Purchase goods of 20,000 from Yash on credit. So purchased, okay, goods from Yash on credit. Okay. What is the value of the goods given to you? It is purchased for rupees 20,000. Okay, look here. Add in the asset because goods are purchased. Add in the asset because goods are purchased. But second is very important. Because the goods are purchased on credit basis. हमने credit basis के ऊपर माल लिया है ना? So that is becoming our liability. Liability means आज नहीं तो कल इनको payment तो करना पड़ेगा. In the future, we need to make the payment to the creditors. That's why add in liabilities, अभी liabilities में add होगा. Okay, because that is becoming our liability. Capital में zero effect. So plus 20,000 in asset. Asset में मैंने add क्यों कर दिया? Why added to asset? Because these are our goods. And why added to liabilities? Because these are our creditors. Okay, suppliers. उनको फ्यूचर में पेमेंट करना है. Now what is a new equation you are getting? New equation you are getting is a 1 lakh. 80,000 plus 20,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Is equal to 20,000 plus 80,000. Okay. अभी जरा थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखो. Your concentration is required. Focus your attention on this. 20,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 1 lakh. This is actually the formula. Okay. Equation कैसा आता है यहाँ पे? Accounting equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Liabilities are 20,000. Capital is 80,000. 20,000 plus 80,000 is becoming 1 lakh. Now number 6. Number 5. Sold goods worth 10,000 for 12,000 to Ninad on credit. Sold goods worth rupees 10,000 for rupees 12,000 to Ninad on credit. Now your high degree concentration required. Okay, make your eyes of a football size and look at the problem very carefully. Solution की तरफ अच्छी तरह से देखना है आपको. अभी मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ? First of all, minus from asset because goods are sold. Minus from asset because goods are sold. Add in asset because that is sold on credit. निनाद के पास से पैसा लेना भी तो है. The amount is receivable from Ninad. Okay, but add here 12,000. Okay, add here 12,000. Okay, nothing in the liabilities. But look at the amount. Amount में difference है. What is the difference in the amount? Is a 2,000. And this is the profit earned. हमने profit कमाया है. We are earning the profit. and when we are earning the profit, it is increasing our capital. Okay, profits, incomes, gains, अपना capital बढ़ने वाला है, capital is going to increase. Okay, so 10,000 deducted, 12,000 added, and 2,000 profit is added to capital. Okay, like this. अब तक मैंने जहां पे लिस्ट किया था देखो 10,000 added, 10,000 deducted, no difference. 15,000 deducted, 15,000 added, no difference. But here there is a difference. The goods of 10,000 sold for 12,000 rupees. That is showing that there is a profit on sale. So profits are added to capital. Capital का मतलब क्या होता है? Amount invested in the business. And when your capital is growing, whenever you are earning profit, income, revenue, like this. Okay, अब मैं new equation लिखने वाला हूँ. New equation. New equation is coming in this way. Okay, 1 lakh minus 10,000 plus 12,000. So amount is effectively 1 lakh 2,000. This is going to be 20,000. And now this is, okay, becoming 82,000. So what is the equation? 20,000 plus 82,000 is equal to 1 lakh 2,000. Now number 6, purchase computer 30,000 for cash. Purchased computer rupees 30,000 for cash. For cash. Okay. अब देखो कंप्यूटर हमारा क्या है? एसेट है. कैश भी क्या है? एसेट ही है. तो हुआ क्या? One asset is increase and another asset is decrease. So the effect is only in the column of asset. Okay. Asset में आएगा add 30,000 for computer and less 30,000 for cash. No effect in the liability. No effect in the capital. So the new equation is now. New accounting equation is now 1 lakh 2,000 plus minus करके उतना ही आएगा is equal to 20,000 plus 82,000. Now number 7. Look at number 7. Purchase furniture worth rupees 25,000 on credit from Ramesh. By the way, the furniture is purchased from Ramesh on credit of 25,000. This is a furniture. Furniture हमारा क्या है? Asset है. लेकिन हमने credit के ऊपर लिया है. इसका मतलब liability भी हो गया because the amount is payable to Mr. Ramesh in future. Okay. तो आएगा asset में और liabilities में. Okay. Purchased furniture of rupees 25,000 on a credit from Ramesh. Okay. So here 25,000 add in asset because we are purchasing furniture. 25,000 हमको add करना है asset में because we are purchasing furniture. And 25,000 add in the liability because the amount is payable to Ramesh. No effect in capital. Capital में कोई effect नहीं आने वाला है. So now what is the new equation we are getting? New equation is this is now 1,27,000 is equal to 45,000 plus 82,000. Okay. You should check your answers always. It is arithmetic. Okay. Well, 82,000 plus 42,000. Yes, it is 1,27,000. Okay. तो इस तरह से आपको बीच बीच में आंसर भी चेक करते रहना चाहिए. Now I need to make a ruling क्योंकि मेरा बहुत बड़ा बोर्ड है लेकिन वो बहुत छोटा भी है. आपके पास तो नोटबुक है. यू कैन ओपन द नेक्स्ट पेज. ओके, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू जस्ट टू कंटिन्यू इफ पॉसिबल. मतलब 8 नंबर आप कंटिन्यू करो, तब तक मैं बोर्ड वाइप आउट करके वापिस से. Now let us continue with number 8. But before that, I should write here new equation. जो पहला इक्वेशन है वो मुझे लिखना चाहिए ना, मतलब न्यू इक्वेशन. ओके, इक्वेशन क्या था हमारा? 1,27,000 is equal to, बोलना,
45,000 plus 82,000.
plus 82,000. Okay. And now number 8. Now look at number 8. Let us continue. Number 8 में क्या दिया है? Paid rent 2,000. Rent is our expenditure. हमारा खर्चा है. हमने रेंट का पेमेंट कर दिया. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू टैकल दिस? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज सी. पेड रेंट रुपीज 2,000. रेंट पेड मतलब कैश पेड. सो कैश गोज आउट. हमने हमारा कैश का पेमेंट कर दिया है. कैश इज अवर एसेट. सो कैश इज गिवन. Okay, so our asset is reduced, decreased, and rent is expenses. Expenses are reducing your capital. Your capital is getting reduced because of expenses and losses. Expenses and losses. Okay. So any expenditure paid for rent, carriage, stationery, printing, mobile bill, electricity bill, तो क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस फ्रॉम एसेट एंड माइनस फ्रॉम कैपिटल. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज अ न्यू इक्वेशन यू आर गेटिंग? प्लीज सी. न्यू इक्वेशन 1,25,000 is equal to 45,000 plus 80,000. Number 9. Okay, look at number 9. Paid salary 500 and outstanding 5,000, sorry, and outstanding salary 2,000. Paid salary rupees 5,000. Salary का मतलब क्या होता है? The amount which is paid to our employees, okay, for their work. They are working hard in our office. So we are supposed to make the payment of salary to them. So paid salary is 5,000 and outstanding salaries. Outstanding salaries. Okay. Rupees 2,000. Okay. Salary is paid 5,000. Salary is our expenditure. Okay. How to record this? Very important. Your attention is required. Please. This transaction is all the way different. अच्छा अलग है थोड़ा सा. आपको अच्छी तरह से देखना है. Okay. First of all, you paid salaries 5,000, but cash is paid minus from asset. Cash is our asset. So cash paid to somebody minus from the asset. Secondly, still to be paid, outstanding salary. Outstanding का मतलब क्या होता है? Still to be paid. Actually speaking, हमको total salary देना था. Total salary देना था 7,000, out of which we paid only rupees 5,000. So what is outstanding? मतलब देना बाकी कितना है? Still to be paid 2,000. This is becoming our liability. Okay. Because salary is still to be paid. 5,000 is paid minus from cash. 2,000 still to be paid. Okay. So add in the liabilities. Liabilities में add करना पड़ेगा. And very important. Okay. Minus from your capital, total amount of 7,000.
Sure, I have written like this.
Why 7,000 rupees? Okay.
So when you आधी 5,000 reduce झाले मग परत 2,000 reduce झाले मग total 7,000 झालं.
No. 5,000 rupees paid, that is paid in cash minus from asset. 2,000 still to be paid is our liability. But what is our overall expenditure? हमारा total खर्चा कितना है? 7,000. Okay. And due to expenses and losses, your capital amount is reduced. Okay. जब हम लोग business करते हैं, तो हमारा capital है, जो business में हमने डाला है, okay, वो बढ़ेगा कब? Because of profits, incomes, revenues, gains. और कब होगा? Due to losses. Okay, expenses and losses, it is going to reduce. तो मैंने वहां पे माइनस किया. Okay, now what is the new equation you are getting? आदित्य से आंसर लेगा भाई, हाँ, मैं चुकला से तो करेक्शन करूंगी. So new equation is 1,20,000 is equal to 43,000 plus 73,000. 47,000 plus 73,000. इसका टोटल करेक्ट इतना आना चाहिए 1,20,000. Exact 1,20,000. I am requesting you to put a star mark for the new transaction like this. इसको आप एक स्टार कर ही दो. Okay. नया है वह like this. Okay. It's something new for you. कुछ बच्चों के लिए सब कुछ नया है, but don't worry, from tomorrow onward, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will take special lecture for them. Now proceed with the next is number 9. Number 10, received commission 500. This is our income. Received commission rupees 500. कमीशन मिला मतलब कैश मिला. इंक्रीज इन द एसेट. रिसीव्ड कमीशन, रिसीव्ड कैश, इंक्रीज इन द एसेट. एसेट हमारा बढ़ गया, अपनी एसेट बढ़ ली. नो लायबिलिटी. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज आवर इनकम, सो एड इन कैपिटल. इट इज आवर इनकम. कमीशन हमारा इनकम है, तो आपको कैपिटल में ऐड करना पड़ेगा. ओके. And now what is a new equation you are getting? Please see. New equation. 1,20,500 is equal to 47,000 plus 73,500. बीच बीच में इसका टोटल करते रहो और चेक करते रहो हमारा करेक्ट या रॉन्ग है. Number 11. Ramesh withdrew 1,000 for personal use. Withdrew 1,000 for personal use is called as a drawings. Drawings, हाँ, मतलब देखो बिजनेस में जब भी आप बिजनेस चालू करते हो, तो whenever you are starting with the business, okay, you are putting the money in the business which is called as capital. Which is called as capital. Okay. But whenever you are in need, okay, ये कैपिटल हो गया, उसका अपोजिट हो गया ड्राइंग्स. ड्राइंग्स हो गया. Okay. So whenever you are in need of money, everybody is in need of money, or in need of goods for your domestic purpose or your private purpose, personal use, then that is only called as a drawing from business. Okay, मतलब बिजनेस से आपने पैसा या माल निकाला आपके खुद के यूज के लिए. ओके, so what is given here? रमेश, वो रमेश नहीं चाहिए था, वहां पे रवि चाहिए. रवि, प्लीज क्रैश इट आउट रमेश और लिखो वहां पे रवि, बिकॉज रवि इज अ प्रोप्राइटर, रवि इज अ मेसर्स. ओके, रवि withdrew rupees 1,000 for personal use. 1,000 for personal use. So these are drawings. The money is withdrawn less from asset. Cash withdrawal minus from asset. And it is not affecting on the liability, but it is affecting on your capital. Your capital is reduced. Capital कम क्यों होगा? बिजनेस में पैसा डालते हो, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कैपिटल. बिजनेस से पैसा निकालते हो, ड्रॉइंग्स. तो बिजनेस से पैसा निकाला तो कैपिटल कम होने वाला है. इट इज अफेक्टिंग ऑन योर कैपिटल. द कैपिटल इज गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड. ओके, so asset is getting reduced because cash is withdrawn. Capital is getting reduced because these are drawings. So new equation is now. Okay. By the way, यहाँ पे आप अगर ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे drawings तो अच्छा रहेगा for your understanding. Now what is the new equation? 1,19,500 is equal to 47,000 plus 72,500. Okay. Number 12. Look at number 12. Loan taken from bank. बैंक से हमने लोन लिया है. बैंक से लोन लिया मतलब पैसा मिल गया. Okay. Loan taken from bank. Loan taken from bank. Rupees 30,000. Okay. We are getting the money, we are getting the cash, or our bank balance is increased. हमारा cash या तो bank balance increase होने वाला है. So add in asset. But remember, loan taken is a liability. क्योंकि loan लिया है तो आज नहीं तो कल उसको चुकाना तो पड़ेगा. When the loan is taken, then in future we must repay the loan. So that is becoming our liability. वो हमारा liability भी है. Okay. So liability में add होगा. And here nothing, no effect in capital. Now what is a new equation you are getting? New equation क्या आने वाला है देखते हैं. The equation is a 1,29,500. 1,49,500. Sorry, 149,500 is equal to 77,000 plus 72,500. Okay. So 1,49,500. Okay. 1,49,500 is equal to 77,000 plus 72,500. You can match up the amount. You can check whether arithmetically correct or wrong. Every time you should do. आपको एग्जाम में कितने ट्रांजेक्शन आ सकते हैं? मैक्सिमम 5 to 6. फिर मैं आपको 20 ट्रांजेक्शन क्यों बता रहा हूं? Because I want to cover all in one problem. Okay, वैसे तो हमने already problem solve की. Yesterday we solved. Number 13, goods stolen. माल चोरी हो गया. Goods stolen. Okay. Loss by theft. This is called as a loss by theft. Now goods are stolen rupees 1,200. इसका मतलब हमारा asset कम हो गया. Okay. And this is a loss minus from capital. Minus from asset. Why? Okay. Why to subtract from asset? Because that is goods is our asset and it is stolen by somebody. Okay. And why to subtract from capital? Because that is our loss, which is called as a loss by theft. Okay. So what is the new equation we are getting? New equation is a 1,48,300 is equal to 77,000 plus 71,300. Total करो 77,000 plus 71,200. You are getting the correct amount 1,48,300. Number 14. Sold private car. I need to explain this more. Okay, sold a private car, okay, for rupees 20,000, brought the money into business. Sold private car for rupees 20,000. हमने हमारा कार बेच दिया, घर का कार बेच दिया, घर का, बिजनेस का नहीं बेचा है। घर में जो कार था, ओके, कार था, ट्रक था, जो भी था, हमने सेल कर दिया, ओके, and brought money in the business. Brought money in business. Okay. By the way, this is called as, ब्रैकेट में लिखो एडिशनल कैपिटल। इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एडिशनल कैपिटल। बिजनेस में हमने एडिशनल कैपिटल लेके आए, मतलब कैश लेके आए, एड इन एसेट, एड इन एसेट, एड इन एसेट, एड इन एसेट, एड इन कैपिटल, एड इन एसेट, एड इन कैपिटल।
Sir, but car is our asset, no?
Car is not asset of business. It is a private asset. According to business entity concept, business is different, businessman is different. Business अलग है, उसको एक अलग identity है. There is a different identity of the business and businessman. तो private transaction जो होते हैं, तो वो अलग होते हैं. And it was his private car, मतलब घर का गाड़ी था, उसने बेचा और वो पैसा business में लगा दिया. That's why it is additional capital. Here, car is not our asset. Okay. Here, business is getting money, and that is additional capital. Why added to asset? Because we are getting cash. And why added to capital? Because that is additional capital. So, what is the new equation you are getting? New equation you are getting is 1,68,300 is equal to 77,000 plus इसका टोटल करो 91,300. The total must be matched. हाँ, those students who are new, okay. अब देखो हर अभी ये सेशन थोड़ा रुकेगा, ओके, मतलब अभी मैं मीटिंग एंड करूंगा, आई विल एंड द मीटिंग एंड अगेन आई विल स्टार्ट विद द मीटिंग. मतलब मीटिंग एंड करूंगा और 1 मिनट के अंदर वापस आना है आपको, मतलब तुरंत वापस आना है. अभी मैं मीटिंग पहले एंड कर देता हूं. आई एम एंडिंग द मीटिंग एंड देन वी विल